Hello friends, I'm back with another sounds. Welcome to Pinch's class. So today we have sound O. 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 So sound O also comes from letter A. Yes, so letter A has three sounds. It has sound A, it has sound A, and it also has sound O. So let's look at the blends. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y. So those are the blends. Now let's look at the words. Yes, so we have the first one, then the next one, it's what? Then the next one is going to be firm. Then the next one, the yes. Then that big one, harmonica. So that one is harmonica. Then the next one is car. The car which we drive when you're going to school or in a different place. Curd. Yes, the card which we play, the cards which we play, or the card which we take to the bank to get money. And the last one is harp, the music instrument known as harp. Yes. Now let's go to the sentences. The first sentence says, an arc is bigger than a car. An arc is bigger than a car. Then the next one, I have two cards. I have two cards. And the last sentence is going to be, Pinchu plays a harp. Pinchu plays a harp. Remember always to practice the sound so that you get it in your head. Okay, we hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying ciao.